Located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania's affluent Chestnut Hill area, Baleroy Mansion is known as one of the most haunted homes in America due to its unusual inhabitants such as ghosts, demons, jinns, angels, and other supernatural entities. Baleroy Mansion was constructed in 1911. Its first owner was a well-off carpenter who was rumored to have murdered his wife when they lived in the house. The second owners were the Easby family, who moved in 1925 and lived there until George Easby's death at the age of 87 on December 11, 2005. George's younger brother Stephen died a few years after the family moved in, and George encountered Stephen's apparition standing at the foot of his bed when he was a child. Employees of the mansion have also reported encounters with the ghost of Stephen, stating that they feel like they are being watched by his ghost the entire time that they are on their shift. Many other spirits reportedly haunt the mansion, including Henrietta Easby, the boy's mother, the former owner, an elderly woman who has been said to hit visitors with her cane, along with the usual knocking and disembodied footsteps and shadow figures. There's also been phantom cars seen driving only to disappear when a person would go to check on them. Some have even claimed to see the ghost of Thomas Jefferson. Even though he never lived or visited the house, George owned many artifacts that belonged to the late president. Yet the most well-known part of the house lies just up a flight of stairs. On the second floor is an infamous 18th century drawing room known as the Blue Room. Inside sits a 200-year-old blue chair, which is known as the Chair of Death. This light blue floral upholstered chair has the reputation that whoever sits in it dies shortly afterwards. In fact, 4 people have reportedly passed away after sitting in it. It's been said that George Easby even banned visitors from using the chair. Rumors say there is a red mist that floats in and around the chair, which is said to be the spirit named Amelia, who also once owned the chair. Supposedly, this mist envelops the person who takes a seat, sucking their life force and causing their demise a few days later. Amelia used to compel visitors in the house towards the Blue Room. She would rip open doors and slam them, scaring the living guests until they finally went into the Blue Room and felt peaceful as they sat down in her chair, and unfortunately falling under her spell. If anyone's ever been to Baleroy Mansion, let me know below. I'd love to hear your stories of what it's like being there, if you've had any encounter with the spirits and stuff. I am always interested in hearing everyone's stories.